how to use referral code on OKX. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use the referral code on OKX. So kindly watch this video till the end. The first step is to sign in into your OKX account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in or you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page. Okay, so now once you're on this page, the next thing to do is navigate through to where the referral option is, and that is by moving to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots. Once you see it, click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to the profiles page. On this page, you can see your email address, you can see shortcuts, manage access, trade, then scroll down until you can see rewards and perks. So under the rewards and perks, you can see several options like crypto gifts, affiliates, referral, broker, reward center. So just go ahead and click on referral. So after clicking on referral, you'll be brought to the referrals page. On this page, you can see two options: refer via link or code. So that is the code. And then to use this code, all you need to do is just to click on the copy option. And then once the code has been copied, you can now go to your friends' contacts or your family and then share it to them. Once they have this code and they download the OKX app by trying to sign up in the referral code option, all they need to do is to paste this code, and then you as an individual or as a user of OKX would be rewarded. All right, and then you can also decide to share this by using the share to option. Just click on more, or if the options are among the apps displayed, you can just select any and then share the code and the link to your friends and family. So this is how it works. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.